across those multi-generational families of Caffeine and Octane, and you know there's some cars hanging around their family tree.
Son, I'm sorry I didn't say some of my cars for you.
No.
Stories like this give me a good reason to get off the island for a father and son story with local flair. Hey guys, I'm Skip Smith.
Kenny Rogers.
Nice to meet you, Kenny.
Nice to meet you.
Who's this young man?
This is my son, Lewis Rogers.
Hello, Lewis.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. These days, Dad is all about family and cars. He may not be able to hold a tune, and he never pitched in the World Series, but he was good enough prospect to be selected in the 18th round of the '77 Major League Draft. He spent 2 years with the Cleveland Indians organization and pitched single-A ball before calling it quits. I understand he got you into cars.
He got me into the car business.
Yep.
He was a big Mopar nut, and I was a Ford guy just with work trucks and so forth, and he got interested in old cars, and next thing you know, he got Dad addicted. Usually the dad introduces the cars, now it's the son introduced it to me. Now he's got me hooked. So this is my old first build. We got this 1948 Pilot House.
Pilot House, that goes great with the yacht yard sign you have here.
Lewis's grandfather, Olaf Olson, he started the yacht yard on St. Simons in 1948, and I love the little slogan he had, enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. So a 70-year-old truck, it fits right in.
Well, I tell you, it's a pretty rare truck. Finding a 5-window is quite rare. It also has the height and bed, which adds 25% more capacity to the truck.
See, I didn't know that.
He bought this one, and then I bought 2 more of these. So we're gaining a collection while we're bonding. This is my 1968 Puma Satellite. When I got it, it was about halfway restored. We did some stuff on the interior.
Interior
radiator,
looks nice.
Cooling system, put the electronic ignition on it, ascending unit.
It sounds like it's running great.
It has a cam in it.
Oh, no wonder. That's why it sounds so
Flow
good.
Masters with the cross exhaust.
Well, is there any chance that you can show us a bit of...
I'd love to show you St. Simons.
Great.
You might want to ride with Lewis. Mine might have a little trouble getting up that bridge over there, but
Well, how about I ride up with him and back with you?
that's the deal.
So when did you get interested in cars?
I bought a 73 Roadrunner for $3,000 with a 440 in it. And I got my daddy interested in it while we were fixing that one up. It has a black vinyl top, it's a black car. In those cars with the hard top, your hair doesn't move.
Oh, yeah.
So I went to McDonald's and got a large tea. I poured the tea out, cut out the bottom of the cup, and stuck it right here so it'd blow air in my face.
That's great. Is this a park?
It is a park now, but it was a ancient Indian burial ground.
Wow, this is beautiful.
That's why there's no buildings or no development.
Beautiful. It is beautiful.
All right, you ready to head back to Jack?
Absolutely.
All right.
You want to race?
No.
Yeah, we'll race, but you've got to wait for 25 minutes. I think Lewis does know his stuff. He is an old school kid, that's for sure. And there's a really close bond there, and it's really, really refreshing.
Lewis getting me started in this has really given me a, not just connection with him, but it relaxes me seeing him being so fired up about his car. And me finding something like this is just a relief to me.
Absolutely.
And when I played baseball, I got injured, had to retire, but I would have never had Lewis, never had Sonia.
Yeah.
And it's been a blessing for me. Ending the day, coming back to Jekyll Island. Skip and I barely made it across the bridge with this old 48 truck, and it's got 95 horsepower, so it was tough going up the bridge.